Instagram Reels is one of Instagram's newest features. As their answer to the success of TikTok, Instagram has put in a lot of effort to promote and highlight Reels. In this video, we'll explain how you can succeed with Instagram Reels in your Instagram strategy. Instagram Reels is a new way to create and consume short videos, up to 1 minute long. Reels can be a great way to bring new users to your account, but the content has to be original and engaging. Instagram has also recently announced that they are moving from being a photo sharing app to a video sharing app, meaning investing in this feature could give you greater visibility to accounts that are using Reels, which is another reason to give this new feature a try. Reels have been on Instagram for a few months now, so in order to stand out, you have to make sure your content is up to par. Here are some tips and tricks you can use to make your Reels strategy a success. 1. Focus on a specific niche or topic. One of the ways to gain followers and to go viral on Instagram is to find a theme or category within Instagram and post about it regularly. Instagram's algorithm uses machine learning technology, so it will show your videos to an audience that is already interested in the topic you're posting about. This is why it's so important to choose a theme or niche and capture the attention of a specific group of people. 2. Include an attention-grabbing hook. Thousands of Reels are published a day, so to go viral, your content must be engaging. To stand out, add a personal touch that makes your video unique and original. The first few seconds of the video are key to capturing the audience's attention, so it is important that this originality is immediate. 3. Make it the right size. The optimal video size on Instagram Reels is 1080 by 1920 pixels. This allows viewers to see it as the maximum resolution, with an aspect ratio of 9:16. This means your videos should be recorded vertically. 4. Don't include TikTok watermarks. Instagram's goal with Reels has a very clear objective: to be more popular than TikTok and to encourage users to choose Instagram over the other app. Instagram's algorithm is able to detect TikTok's watermark in order not to promote these videos. So, to give your Reels a better chance at going viral, remove those watermarks. 5. Include text in your video. Whether they're stories or Reels, it's estimated that more than 80% of Instagram users watch videos without sound. So it's a very good idea to add captions or text that can help viewers understand the content without the audio. In addition, text also allows people with hearing difficulties to understand the video. 6. Include a call to action. A call to action should always be included to encourage viewers to interact with your videos. This is the best way to know your viewers' impressions and opinions and then create content accordingly. This allows you to think about how you can present your content in a way that appeals to people. 7. Use viral elements. To give your content the best chance of going viral, use elements that are trending, such as songs or dance challenges. This means keeping up to date with the trends and observing how the public is reacting to them in order to implement them. 8. Use hashtags to promote your content. Hashtags are a key element in any type of post because they help Instagram's algorithm understand the content in your video and then show it to users who may be interested. Choose your hashtags carefully. The most used ones aren't always the best since they have more competition. 9. Create a custom Reels cover. Make your videos stand out before it's even started by creating a custom cover. The cover is the image that users will see before they click on your video in the Explore page or in their normal feed. 10. Publish your Reels at peak viewing times. Not every hour or every day is a good time to publish. Learn when your audience is online and active. Once you determine the ideal times, schedule your posts. This will help you to have a higher engagement rate. 11. Share your Reels on your Instagram feed and stories. Finally, to give your Reels greater visibility, share it on your Instagram feed and in your stories. This way your followers can see your videos and ideally share them. Going viral through Instagram Reels is possible, but it probably won't happen overnight. The most important thing to focus on is regularly creating interesting, eye-catching content and using all the tricks we've mentioned here. If you have any questions, let us know in the comment section. And if you want to learn more about marketing or inbound marketing, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. And we'll see you in the next video.